Hi, this is Christian from CIRS LAB. So in CIRS, it's incredibly important to develop appropriate cleaning habits that minimize biotoxin exposure. And the reason for this is because our abnormal immune reactions not only come from building structures, a lot of the time they can actually come from personal items like our clothing. And when I was very sick with CIRS, I couldn't tolerate most of my clothing. They would trigger things like bloating, brain fog, insomnia, mood swings, and numbness and pain in my extremities. I actually ended up throwing away most of my clothing in a desperate attempt to just try to regain some peace. Eventually, though, thankfully, I figured out a combination of cleaning products that would help calm my immune response. And one of those products was EC3 from Microbalance Health. The incorporation of EC3 was really a turning point for me. It ultimately set the stage for my CIRS treatment to start working, even as I was living in a water damage apartment. And since then, I've been using the laundry additive in combination with borax, peppermint essential oil, food grade hydrogen peroxide, and a regular scent free liquid detergent. I also make sure to pour a bit of the additive in the dryer machine since the heat is going to allow the liquid to evaporate through the clothing. And in my sicker days, this method actually brought almost instant relief to many of my symptoms, and I hope it does the same for you too.